And it doesn't matter kung nandito ka in person kung gutom ka. It doesn't matter kung nanonood ka online basta gutom ka. It doesn't matter kung kasama ka sa watch party ng mission stations ngayon kung gutom ka. It doesn't matter kung napapanood mo to 10 years later basta gutom ka. You are going to encounter Jesus like never before. God is able to transform your life today. Madalas nagsisettle na lang tayo sa nakasanayan natin. We want to settle for where we are today. But I want to encourage our entire global family. Huwag kayo mag-settle sa forgiveness, sa pardon, maganda po yan. Pero ang i-desire natin, Lord, I want power na nanggagaling po sa inyo. I want my life to be obedient. I want to follow you, Jesus, like never before. I don't want to settle for my vicious and unproductive cycle. I want transformation. I want my life to change. Public service announcement. Jesus is able to put your life back together. Kayang baguhin ng Lord at ayusin ng Lord ang wasak mong buhay. Something is about to happen that day.